Welcome back, creators! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a character using Microsoft Copilot, then rig it step by step in Moho Pro for animation. Let's get started. Open Copilot and ask. Generate a full-body cartoon character in a neutral pose, with clean outlines and flat colors. Transparent background. Save the image as PNG, for bitmap rigging, or SVG, for vector rigging. Open Inkscape and import your image. Start tracing your image to draw a similar shape. When you have finished, delete the original image and select your new drawing. Go to File Export and select SVG. Don't forget to give a name when you save. Open Moho Pro. Go to File Import Vector File, SVG, or drag the PNG into the workspace. Organize layers, head, torso, arms, legs, eyes, mouth, hair. Use the Add Point and Delete Edge tools to simplify paths. Ensure each body part is on a separate layer. Go to Add Layers and add new layer with the name of the correspondent body part, example head. Then go to your SVG file layer. Use Select Point tool to select the body part you want to separate. You will need to separate each body part, therefore, you will be repeating this process of add new layer, rename, select point tool, draw around the body part. Ctrl X to cut and go to your new layer, Ctrl V to paste. As said earlier, keep repeating the process of selecting body part and create new layer for it. Rename your layer, Ctrl X to cut and Ctrl V to paste the body part into that new layer. There you are, you can then organize your layers and go on to add bones ready for rigging. And that's it. You've just created a character with Copilot and rigged it in Moho Pro. This modular workflow lets you animate faster, reuse assets, and keep your projects clean and scalable. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow animators. See you in the next tutorial.